These kids learning nursery rhyme videos are going extremely viral on YouTube right now, and this channel has gained 28.3 million subscribers by uploading this exact style of content, and their short form content is doing absolutely insane numbers. Their top 3 shorts have hit 4.8 billion, 2.1 billion, and 1.4 billion views. Now watch what I just created with AI in under 5 minutes.
One red balloon goes up so high, floating, floating in the sky. 2 blue balloons drift and sway. 3 green balloons dance with glee. 2, 3.
I am going to show you the exact method right now. Make sure you have subscribed because we are starting immediately. The very first thing you need is a character. Open any video from a kid's rhyme channel and take a screenshot of a frame where the child character is clearly visible. Now upload that screenshot into ChatGPT and paste this prompt to generate a 3D style cartoon character in a completely different and original way. Hit enter and your 3D child character will be ready in just a few seconds. Download it. Your character is done. Now open the prompt document from the description below. Copy the music idea generation prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Hit enter and ChatGPT will provide you 20 engaging rhyme ideas to choose from. Pick the one you like the most. Now copy the lyrics generation prompt, paste it in, then copy your chosen idea and place it inside the designated section in the prompt. Hit enter and your full lyrics for the video will be ready in seconds. Now ask ChatGPT to give you the rhyme in a clean, ready-to-copy format and copy the full lyrics. Head over to Google Gemini, click the plus icon, and choose Create Music. Paste your rhyme in and hit enter. In just a couple of seconds, your full nursery rhyme music with voice and rhythm will be ready. Click Download. Your entire soundtrack is done in under 2 minutes. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste this prompt to generate video and animation prompts for every scene. Hit enter and ChatGPT will give you full ready-to-use prompts for every scene of your video. Now head over to Google Flow and upload your child character image. Click the plus icon and choose the image so Google Flow will use your character as a reference for every scene. This is what keeps your character looking exactly the same throughout the entire video. Now copy scene 1 video and animation prompt and paste it in. Choose the video option, then ingredients, set your aspect ratio, number of outputs, and select OmniFlash as your video model. Hit enter and in just a couple of seconds your first video scene will be ready. Now click on the generated video and choose Add to Prompt. Copy scene 2 video prompt and paste it in. Repeat the exact same process until all your video scenes are done. I have generated 4 video scenes to show you the full result. Download all your clips one by one and import everything, including the generated music, into your favorite video editor. Add the music to the timeline and trim it to the point where the lyrics begin. Now start adding your video clips one by one and align each scene with the corresponding lyrics. You can refer back to the ChatGPT lyrics to make sure each scene matches the right part of the song. Remove any unwanted parts, make everything feel smooth and in sync, and hit export. Your viral kids learning nursery rhyme video is completely ready to go viral on YouTube. The tools are completely free and everything you need is in the description below. Subscribe for more tutorials like this, drop a like if this helped, and I will see you in the next one.